Court orders secure prison cell for Samuelu after inmates' threats. District Court Judge Leota Raymond Schuster has ordered a secure self-contained cell at the Tanumalala prison for witness Samuelu Sua after inmates threatened his life. The order was made after Samuelu's lawyer, Fetulanga Aya, informed the court this morning of the situation at Tanumalala prison and that he had already filed a bail application for Samuelu. He informed the court that Samuelu, being a police informant, had helped put some of the inmates in prison, and some of these inmates are the ones that have now issued direct threats at him. The prosecutor, Taimarilangi Nafo Strickland, suggested placing Samuelu in a self-contained isolation cell. However, lawyer Langaaya is concerned about Samuelu's health condition and that he could have a seizure while alone in an isolated cell. Langaaya also informed the court that Samuelu is scheduled to have a CT scan tomorrow at the hospital for a seizure, but Taimalilangi countered that Sam's medical record only records an infection and no mention of a seizure. Langaaya said the CT scan for a seizure was recommended by the doctor, hence the appointment tomorrow. The prosecutor informed the court that the self-contained cell is for juveniles and can be used to accommodate Sam for now. Judge Leota wanted to know if the cell had a medical unit and whether there are any juveniles there now, to which she said no. Leota then ordered Samuelu to be placed in a self-contained cell and for a supervisor to check on Samuelu every hour. Leota also inquired about Sam's wife, Sivai's situation, and told the only concern is Samuelu because of the threats from inmates. Both Samuelu and Sivai will appear in court next week for their bail application hearing. The couple was detained by police 3 weeks ago and charged for defamation in connection with the 3-year-old unresolved hit-and-run incident that killed a university student at Vaitele in April 2021. Samuelu had named on social media several people, including politicians, as alleged suspects in the unresolved case. 2 weeks ago, the Minister of Police, Fawalo Harry Schuster, told Parliament that the police is not charging anyone named by Samuelu in connection with the hit and run case due to the lack of substantive evidence.